Orange. Round citrus fruit with orange skin and juicy flesh. Apple. Round fruit with crisp or soft edible flesh. Banana. Curved fruit with thick yellow skin and sweet taste. Pear. Rounded fruit with sweet juicy flesh and tapered shape. Grapes. Small, juicy berries, often found in clusters on vines. Strawberries. Small, red, juicy berries with seeds on the surface. Pineapple. Tropical fruit with spiky skin and sweet yellow flesh. Example: I love the taste of oranges. The orange is juicy and sweet. The orange tree blossomed beautifully. I enjoy eating fresh oranges. I like crunchy red apples. She took a bite of the apple. I enjoy the crisp apple texture. We picked apples at the orchard. I ate a ripe banana. The banana is a popular snack. She sliced the banana for dessert. He likes to eat bananas. The pear is ripe and juicy. I enjoy the sweet pear flavor. She bit into a juicy pear. I like eating fresh pears. I love eating sweet grapes. The grapes are juicy and plump. She picked grapes from the vine. Grapes make a great snack. I enjoy eating fresh strawberries. Strawberries are a perfect summer treat. He bought a container of strawberries. She dipped the strawberries in chocolate. The pineapple is tropical and sweet. She cut a pineapple into chunks. Pineapple juice is refreshing and tangy. I enjoy eating fresh pineapple. Carrots. Orange root vegetable with a crunchy texture and sweet taste. Beans. Edible legumes with various shapes, sizes, and flavors. Potatoes. Starchy tuberous crop, often cooked and eaten as a vegetable. Tomatoes. Round or oval fruit with juicy flesh and tangy flavor. Peas. Small round green seeds in a pod, commonly eaten cooked. Onions. Edible bulb vegetable with a strong, pungent flavor. Garlic. Pungent bulb, used as a seasoning in various cuisines. Mushrooms. Fleshy fungi with various shapes, textures, and flavors. Example: I enjoy eating crunchy carrots. She sliced the carrots for salad. He bought a bunch of carrots. I like to dip carrots in hummus. I like to cook with beans. The beans are tender and flavorful. Beans are a good source of protein. He bought a can of beans. I enjoy eating baked potatoes. The potatoes are soft and fluffy. He bought a bag of potatoes. The potato salad is creamy and delicious. The tomatoes are ripe and juicy. She sliced the tomatoes for sandwiches. She added tomatoes to the salad. I like to eat tomatoes fresh. I enjoy eating sweet peas. The peas are small and green. The pea soup is thick and flavorful. She likes to mix peas into rice. I like to cook with onions. The onions are pungent and aromatic. He bought a bunch of onions. I like to use onions in soups and stews. I love the aroma of garlic. She minced the garlic for marinade. Garlic adds a bold flavor to dishes. He bought a head of garlic. The mushrooms are earthy and tender. She sliced the mushrooms for pasta. He bought a container of mushrooms. I like to grill mushrooms for burgers.